Welcome back. Hope you're doing good. Today, let us understand how to use the count function. In the previous video, we have used the average function to find out the average for each of the students in a given dataset. Let us use the function count. To use the function count, I need to use equals count, and you can press the tab to autocomplete the function, or use equals count, open the bracket. To select, I need to select the range of the cells from D2 to D9, which is the marks obtained by the student. So I have the count now. Count is 8. Count can only be used on numbers. If I wanted to use the same count function on alphabets or mixed, which is alphanumeric, I will call this as alphanumeric to make it simple. If I wanted to use count function on alphanumeric values, for example, if I insert a row and enter nil, which is alphabets, and if I copy the same text across all the cells in row number 4, I will copy the nil in the row 4. And if I wanted to count the numbers in column D, which has mixed data, which is numbers and also which has text, if I manually count, I can easily count. If I manually count, it will be 9. And if I use the function count, it will not count the text data. So let me check using the count function. Equals count, open the bracket, then select the range of the cells, including the text data what we have entered as nil. It should give me the result as 9. But still, I am getting the result as 8 because it has omitted the text data, which is nil, it has omitted. As we know, the count function does not calculate the data which is there as text. It will only calculate the data which are available as numbers. If I wanted to copy the formula across all the cells for student 1 to 10, I can drag the cursor and copy the function. You will see the same result it has given, which is 8. So in case if I wanted to count the number of cells, which includes alphanumeric values, then I have to use another function which is called as count A. So I'll use the function which is called as count A. So let me use the function count A, which is equals to count A, then open the bracket, then select the range D2 to D10, which also includes the alphanumeric values. So now it is giving the correct output, which is 9. because it also includes the text data as well as the numerical data. This function gives the result as 9. This also includes numerical data and text data as well, whereas the count doesn't use the text data.